Hi there. In this video, we're going to take a look at determining if these equations are actually functions. Now, functions mean that when we have an x, there is only one y value that goes with that. Now, I like to do this from the Desmos graphing calculator. So I'm going to switch our view around so you can see the Desmos calculator, and I'm going to put in a here. Let's go ahead and type in the equation that we had for a. Now, if you need the Desmos graphing calculator, I am linking it below so that you can use it too. It's a free online graphing calculator. Now, I want you to take a look at the graph that Desmos gives for us here. This is showing us that it passes the vertical line test. Now, the vertical line test tells us that if any vertical line is put on the graph and the graph touches that vertical line only once, then it is a function. You can easily see that this is a function. Let's now put in the equation we had for b. You can see the blue graph here. If I put a vertical line anywhere on this graph, the blue graph is going to touch that vertical line at least twice. And so in this case, b is not a function, while a, the red graph here, is a function.